Hello and welcome to the box room. It's time to do more tidying. It is. Oh, and here is, of all things, a Commodore 64. And it's open. Oh, tell me, is there documentation? There is not. Important notice. Write, enable, inhibit labels have been supplied. Jesus. Oh dear. Okay. That could have gone better. We had a bit of a crash. Oh, just a second. I don't think it was enough to have caused anything tragic. At least I would not like to think so. So where is the cable? Aha, okay. There is the cable. It comes over here. The power switch is on. Turn this on. Alright. No damage. No harm, no foul. I will move these though. Alright then. So here we have a 64, and in it, every major chip is in the socket. Now, that is a beautiful thing, but does it work? Well, I don't know. I would like to think it does, but certainly with all the major chips and sockets, that certainly helps make it easier to fix. It does. So I'll take it here, we'll turn it on. We saw a flash. 5532800, 5532810. Change that to right to the keyboard test. And it looks okay. Let's check the shift key. Let's check the other shift key. Looks good. Shift lock. Okay. What else? Oh, spacebar. Yes. Everything is socketed. Well, not the little chips, but all the big ones, of which, if we look inside this Commodore 64, actually I should write this down. C64. So 250425. 250425. Works. Okay. Okay. All major chips in sockets. Woohoo! Keyboard. Okay. Lovely. All right. I'll put in the diagnostic cartridge and summon the harness. This is for the serial port. this is for the joystick ports. Hello. Come on. Why you give me a hard time about going in there? There. And the cassette port. Which side is up? That is up. I have marked it as up. And we put it all together. We push this here. And we turn it on. And watch the diagnostics come up. And we see what's what. Diagnostics. And we wait. SID. Okay. November 2023. We'll let that run through one more time. And then we have to write down the serial number. And then this one will go into a safe spot. All right, the SID will come out. The gentle rumble of the SID chip. Lovely. Okay, it's funny, there are different versions of the SID chip, and indeed, usually it is the sound voice that is different. Oh, come on, you. Come on. Okay. That comes out. Power comes out. Dead power supply goes away. Tape moves. That moves. And we see that this is a P 5 6 1 2 8 3 0, and then there's a B at the end. Made in USA. And I don't think that this one had the screws with it. But I do see there are 2 screws here. But they don't look right. But maybe. Well, let me see here. I did not take the screws out of the window. There is a good chance that these, well, maybe not exactly the correct screws, they'll do. Better than some of the screws I've seen in some of the things. So there's only 1, 2 of them. So I'll put. Oh yeah, you know what? It's funny. I'm looking over here. There's some sort of thing. Obviously, there was no screw in there, but I will put one in each end. I will, except now it's flipped over and it's giving me grief. Okay, drop it in, line it up, tighten it down. All right. Penny, Penny. I thought I heard Penny, but I did not. She's not here. You would know if she was here because you would hear her. And maybe I would be able to lift her up for a moment. Maybe. Alright, so. Oh, did I write? All major chips. Now this one. See, I'm going to have to do things with this, with these drives here. So maybe this one I'll keep. Maybe this one I'll keep handy. Maybe, possibly. Stop. Sit there. Be nice. Okay. So, what else? Now this one here. It's funny. I'm looking around. This here is quite a magical thing. This is the top of a silver label Commodore 64. And oh look, all the fingers are still intact. Now, I did not get the bottom half. The thing that came with this was not a silver label 64 bottom. But mind you, I'm sure I have other things that are missing the top that are they're worthy. Okay, so silver label 64 top. Orphan. I have not tested the keyboard. I have not tested the needs testing. Anyway, that. Oh no, yeah. October 2023. Okay. I'll stick that on there. I'll take some tape. And I'll put that on there. I'll put that on there. And that's probably enough. Okay. I'll set that carefully down where nothing should fall or befall it. And so, that's another thing out of the way that I have to make sure is in a safe spot that I know where it is. So we're getting there. We're not there. Actually, another thing that I think is going to leave here is this monitor, because I have a flat screen behind there. And this is all fine. It's all good. There's one thing about having a real monitor there, and that is there's little hints that you can pick up on what you see when you turn the monitor on, like if it flashes, if there's a little something. And that usually doesn't show up as well on the new modern things. So it's a good thing to have a real Commodore monitor handy, because there are hints. Like before, when I was turning it on, there was absolutely nothing. Usually that could be a fuse. Also means you're not plugged in, which of course I wasn't. Anyway, thanks for coming. The cleanup in the box room continues. Continues. It is endless.
That was easy.
Bye for now.